Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. Shiba Inu, who retired early today, become billionaires in Shibarium. Shiba Inu has become one of the most talked about cryptocurrencies in recent times, with a market worth of over $6 billion and a price gain of over 20,000%. That cryptocurrency has garnered media attention recently due to its remarkable growth. In this video, we'll discuss how Shiba Inu, who retire early, become millionaires in Shibarium. Don't forget to give the channel a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Check out our most recent articles on Shiba Inu price forecasts and professional analysis. Let's start the video now without further ado. Many people are interested to see what the future of Shibboleth holds as the Bitcoin business develops further. Shiba Inu, a well-known cryptocurrency token, has seen a sharp rise in burn rate, jumping up to 1,000% in a couple of hours. SHIB's price performance has remained consistent, but the unexpected increase in burn rate may signal the asset's future return to the market. A vital indicator of the overall growth and health of the coin is the burn rate. An asset's future growth is frequently predicted when the burn rate increases. The Shiba Inu recently suffered a setback, but over the past few days, its burn rate has been rapidly rising. Given that fewer than 20 million tokens were destroyed just a few weeks ago, the recent spike in burn rates is notable. This abrupt increase in burn rate may indicate that traders and investors are restoring faith in the asset and increasing their market activity. On the market for cryptocurrencies, an increasing burn rate is typically viewed as a sign of rising investor interest and rising demand. It is important to keep in mind that the burn rate is a reflection of a token's overall activity and that it can be influenced by a number of variables, with usage and general network activity serving as the main influences for SHIB. The market may be turning bullish on the asset as a result of the recent increase in the burn rate of the Shiba Inu, and its price performance is anticipated to improve over the next few weeks. Shiba Inu is presently trading at 0.000013 with a $277 million 24-hour trading volume. It has risen by over 2% in the past 24 hours. It now has a live market cap of $7 billion and is ranked number 13 on the coin market cap list. Technically, the Shiba Inu was unable to rise above 0.000013 to a level representing a Fibonacci retracement at a 38.2% angle. In this case, Shiba Inu is anticipated to immediately re-establish support close to the 0.000016 level, lower than average. Shiba Inu price exposure towards the 0.00001170 level is possible with a breakout under the 0.000016 level. Recently, a couple months ago, the cryptocurrency community has been debating the release timing of Shibarium. Satoshi Kusama, the platform's principal developer, has poured cold water on the Layer 2 blockchain, despite the SHIB community's desire for the launch to occur on February 14. Rumors of a Valentine's Day release. Satoshi Kusama, a well-known Shiba Inu engineer, responded to a question by providing fresh information on the impending release of the eagerly anticipated Layer 2 network. "You wanted a certain date," Tashi said, "but there couldn't be any details. Since the release won't have an on-off switch, I don't have one." The Layer 2 blockchain is being developed by Shiba's new developers to assist raise the price of Shiba through a burn mechanism and improve price stability. On the market for cryptocurrencies, everyone wants to pay less for transactions, hence the project's offering will lead to an increase in transactions. Shiba Inu has reportedly passed the 1.3 million milestone in terms of total holdings and seen a significant price increase, according to CoinGate. Many think that Shibarium Lodge offers a chance for investors to stock up on SHIB before 2023. To begin with, novice and even seasoned investors are focusing on this exciting cryptocurrency because of its potential to turn regular people into billionaires. The trade volume for Caped Shiba Inus has increased by over 42%, according to the coin market. Since the previous day at 0.00001301, its price has increased 1 point, or 14%, over the past 24 hours as it has remained over a crucial 0.000013 level. With $382,908,529 worth of trade activity every day, the SHIB burn rate has increased by 1395 points, 89%, showing that the SHIB army is still committed to burning SHIB. According to statistics from ShibBurned.com over the previous 24 hours. At the time of writing, the increase followed the community's collective transfer of 37 million SHIB to Burn's wallet during the previous 24 hours, as Burn reported in a tweet today. Although the overall burn is not at the level it was at the beginning and at the end of last year, it represents a huge increase over the 2.5 million SHIB that were burned in total the day before. A little over 85% of the 37.4 million SHIB burn was split between two trades. 16.7 million SHIB were sent in the initial transaction to the Burn wallet. Checking Etherscan reveals that the wallet now only contains roughly 125 bones instead of any SHIB. At 3:57 a.m. Universal Time Coordinated, a second transaction from a separate wallet sent roughly 15 million SHIB to the Burn wallet. Only 0.01 SHIB were still present at this address after an Etherscan. While some locals have recently expressed their displeasure with the frequency of SHIB burns, it is important to note that it appears ready to rise once Shibarium launches. The Layer 2 solution will burn SHIB with every transaction, as was revealed on Saturday. Nevertheless, there is no precise launch date. According to recent sources, protocol developers are almost ready to release the protocol's beta version. Notably, they recently made it clear that the sole token that would be used by users on the system for gas is BONE. With more than 1.3 million holders, SHIB is currently undergoing a price surge along with the majority of the crypto market. Since the price of cryptocurrencies has increased by around 22,981,223% since its ATL, the Shiba Inu ecosystem is certain to draw institutional investors. Most cryptocurrency traders are in favor of Oracle Shiba Inus. SHIB has additionally tallied a trade volume of $440,201,885. Holders on Twitter inquired about PayPal Holdings Incorporated's acceptance of Shiba Inus as payment on its site despite the year-long bear market. Financial behemoth PayPal reacted by advising @Rock0x to have their buddy contact PayPal directly via direct message to inquire about accepting the cryptocurrency as payment in the answer from the firm. Hey, Powell stated that US consumers might now move cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin to external wallets in June of last year. American users couldn't previously delete their cryptocurrency holdings from the website. The financial titan PayPal reacted when asked on Twitter if it would accept Shiba Inu as payment on its website. Good day. We appreciate you contacting PayPal. I understand you're curious about if you accept SHIB as payment. I advise you to direct your friend to message us via DMs so that we can take care of it. Thanks, LKP. PayPal assistance on February 11, 2023, Ask PayPal. The request was made at Rock0x by the SHIB Army, a group of fervent fans of the cryptocurrency inspired by memes. On February 11th, a Twitter user questioned whether PayPal would accept the Shiba Inu dialogue. The user continued to add Rock0x and requested a friend. In response, the company's assistance account suggested the user to have their buddy inquire with PayPal directly via direct message about accepting the cryptocurrency as payment. In October 2020, PayPal started to participate in the cryptocurrency industry. When it made the news that users will be able to buy, store, and trade cryptocurrencies on its platform, the bull market for the digital coins that the company had first supported, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin, was sped up. For Luxembourg citizens who complied with the conditions, the financial behemoth made it possible for them to buy, store, and trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash in their PP accounts through the website or mobile app in December. It's still unclear whether PayPal will add her IP address to its list of accepted coins. The second largest meme coin may gain widespread acceptance as a result of a potential listing on PayPal. The day is over now. To view our most recent content, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.